Here are 4 Disney Plus hacks I bet you didn't know about. And that's what this video is all about. Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Where to Stream, where we go over absolutely everything that has to deal with streaming. We're talking about new streaming services like NFL Plus. We're talking about how to stream stuff for free, like let's say Top Gun. And we are also talking about streaming service hacks. Little secret stuff not a lot of people know about. So if you like videos like that, help me out on my YouTube journey and hit that subscribe button. And if you learned anything from this video, I mean anything, help me out those YouTube gods and hit that like button. All right, let's get into the video. So here are 4 Disney Plus hacks. Now, the first one I want to go over is that Disney Plus has the secret background ambiance videos. They are so cool. They're really fantastic. Who needs paintings when you got visual art that can just loop on your television? All right, now the first thing you're gonna do is turn on your Disney Plus app. You can do it on the television, you can do it on your app, you can do it on your computer, anywhere. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is go and find collections. And then when you found the collections, go all the way over to all collections. You want to see everything. And once you do that, you're going to click on Scenescapes Ambiance. I think that's how you say that word, but that's what you're going to want to find. And once you do that, you can see that there is a lot of different videos that you can play as pure background ambiance. Now you got a Star Wars ambiance, you got a Zen ambiance. Now I'm going to go over a couple. Now the first one that I want to go over is beautiful fireplace background. Beautiful sounds, beautiful visuals. So as you can see, it is right here in the castle. And let's take a look at it. Wow, that is beautiful. It's perfect for fall. It's perfect for winter. I love it. Now the next one I'm going to go over is Dory's Reef Cam. Now essentially it is a view of the ocean or your own personal little aquarium. So let's play this guy. Beautiful. If you got kids, they are absolutely going to love this. I mean, or anyone, because I love it. All right, and then the last one that I want to go over is the sunrise on the Magic Kingdom. It is essentially a time lapse of the sun coming up. It is absolutely stunning. It is beautiful. It is one of my personal favorites because it's real, it's elegant, and I love it. All right, now the second hack is that you can watch Halloween episodes, especially right now. You can watch Halloween episodes for every Disney show, and it's all bundled up into a collection. So you don't have to go to the show, find the episode. It's all right there. So you could just watch Halloween episode after Halloween episode. It sounds fantastic in my head, and I'm already addicted. So since it's almost Halloween right now, all you got to do is go down to the Halloween section, and you're gonna click it. And then once you do that, you can see that there is a lot of Halloween movies right there. But if you scroll down, you could see, well, the first one that's going to pop up is The Simpsons. And The Simpsons just have a lot of Halloween episodes over the years. So you can see all of their episodes right there. But if you scroll down a couple more times, you can see every Halloween episode for all the Disney shows. So if you just click left, or sorry, it would be right. You go over and over, and there's just all sorts of episodes. It is fantastic, and it is perfect for the Halloween time, which October is coming up real soon. All right, now the third hack that I want to go over is that at any moment when you are watching a video on your iPhone, you can click the restart button. Now the restart button has been dabbled in a lot of different streaming services, but mostly on the television, but on the app, it's never really been there. So the fact that Disney Plus made this just a quick little tap, it is perfect. And Disney Plus is doing a lot of things that helps the user just have a seamless, awesome experience. So this is fantastic. It's really cool that they did that. And that was hack number 3. Now, the fourth and final hack that I'm going to go over for this video is how to save 50% of your battery life while streaming on your phone or on your tablet. All right, now this one is really simple. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the little profile icon at the bottom. You're gonna click app settings and then click video quality. Now once you do that, it's currently on high because who doesn't like some good resolution, but you can click standard. And when you click standard, it not only saves your data, but it also, if you're downloading movies offline, which you also can do that, you can save a whole bunch more. So you could save a lot more TV shows, a lot more movies, because you're not getting the highest of the highest of the highest quality, but it is totally fine on the iPhone regardless. And this whole hack is that you just save a crazy amount of battery life, up to 50%. You can watch 50% more of what you were doing. So if you watched an entire movie and it drained your battery life, you can now watch 2 movies and then it'll drain your battery life. All right, and that is it. That is all I got for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully it was useful. Hopefully you learned something. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I said, you can either hit me up in the email in the description or just drop a comment. I will get to everything. Now, again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.